Hello my friends, my name is Samuel Byiringiro. I'm a recent graduate nurse, but I am so much interested in computer stuff. So today I'm going to be sharing with you not nursing stuffs but computer stuffs, that is about Moodle. You can wonder what Moodle is. This is the website that enables giving courses online. Um, this website, let's go on it first. This is just the Moodle website. It is just where you can download it to set it up, but this is not what we're going to do, because this one is needed for the universities or different schools which want to set up their courses online. But for us, we are going to be using the platform that was already set up by our college, I mean College of Medicine and Health Sciences. So that's the one I'm going to log into. Logging into Moodle is just typing in cmhs.tulanerw.org, then click enter. Then you should be seeing this nice platform which showing the logo of a University of Uganda. You can see the College of Medicine and Health Sciences Moodle learning system. You can always log into here by putting the username and the password, and you are seeing different blogs about navigation, and down here you can also download a mobile app, because there is a mobile app of Moodle that can also allow you to access courses on your phone. This is specifically for Moodle application. You can download it from Google Play for Android user, or from App Store for iOS user. And you can see that there is also a list of courses. However, different courses you can't see them here unless you log inside the website. Let's take an example and look at that. Let me click on School of Health Sciences, then let me go on to Department of, let me just take ophthalmology for now. I'm okay with it. Then ophthalmic clinical skills and nursing procedures. You can't access it unless you log inside the website. Some courses allow guest login, so there is a password for guests. So but that's for some courses. Some courses requires you to log in as a student. Here you need either to log in so that you can access the course. Now, still talking on login, there are different types you can do. You can log into this website. First, when you log in into the website as an administrator, means you have many features. You can change the website template. You can change many things. So that is restricted, and it is only reserved to people who design this website, so that otherwise everyone would be changing the website to make the way he likes, and our likes are different. So these people will choose for us a nice template. Again, you can log in as a teacher, and when you log in into the website as a teacher, the administrator will just list or leave you a space to put your courses. Then you can't add on any new, but they have a place you can add on the course on the website. And here, when you log in as a teacher, then you can make many changes, because you can add on the contents, the Word files, you can add on videos, you can add on the discussion forums, you can add on chat spaces, you can add on quizzes, and you can manipulate all of those contents however you want them to appear. But when you log in as a student, the only thing you can do is just to access the course, because that's the purpose of the student, right? Now I'm going to log in the website as a teacher, and you will be seeing the way to set up a course on Moodle, because that is my purpose for this tutorial. For now, let me type in the username and the password. Okay, remember to remember it. No, I don't want it to remember it. It is not my username. Once at home, I am still seeing the same interface, and you are seeing different panels. You are seeing different blocks, the same I explained to you earlier. These are the blocks you are seeing. I'm not going to be showing you about changing your profile or another thing, because that might be another thing. If you need it, I will also made a tutorial about it, but now I'm going to be showing you the way to customize the course. As I told you earlier, I can't add on a new course. However, because the administrator has provided me a space to add on courses or to edit the courses, so I can just format the course that I have, and that was added on the website for me by the web designer, I mean the administrator. Now I can just I can just click on one course here. Let me click on module CMC 4102 pediatrics. I will click on this one. I am sure this one is mine. Okay, now you can see the difference, because previously I couldn't have this button. This called turning editing on and off means I can only change this for the course that was prepared for me, that I am teaching actually. So now when you try to see, we have different blocks. Like earlier you have navigation block. Here you can navigate through the courses and the pages and different you can see that I have different list of courses that I can navigate it through. And I have administration block. You're gonna see it used soon. You can see this course has different chapters. If you say course outline with the documents, then you can wonder how did they put this course content. I'm gonna be showing you that. Assignment, student presentations, growth and development, these are different things. Now when I turn editing on, this is the only way I can make any change on this interface. Let me click on editing on to turn editing on. There we go. You can see that we have many buttons and many options. Now we can customize our website however we want. You are seeing on each block we have different buttons. There is a move navigation block, there is an action button, and there is also another button which you can click on to configure navigation block. Now if you click on this move navigation block, then drag, I can move it from one place to another. Now I don't want to change that block, but let me show you an example by moving this block from the left to the right. As you see, it has moved from one place to another. This is my interface of this course. I can change it however I want it. I will bring it back to leave the things the way I found them. Core, it has worked. And here, the way you see the blocks, I can add on blocks. Let's say I want to add on a blog menu. When I go down, you see here I have a blog menu. This is a block that I have added. I can also drag it and drop it wherever I want it to be. If I want to put it here, I can put it here. Do you see? However, I can also delete it, because deleting it is not a problem now, because you saw I can add on blocks however and whenever I want it. Now I will delete this blog menu I was just showing you. Are you sure that you want to delete this block? Sure I am. Then I will delete it. Now let's come on to these course outlines here. As you see them, they also have a move button, so I can drag and drop it wherever I want. If I got it down like this, you see it has moved down. I can also move it up. There you go, you see it is up. And when I scroll down within this course, I can change the name of this course, because now we said it is called module CMC pediatrics. As you can see, the administrator can just leave me the space to put the course, because they want to only fewer people to make many changes on the website, but still they will leave me the space, because I am a teacher. They will leave me the space to put my courses. Then I will scroll down and go to edit settings. These are the settings of the course. See what's going to happen. Now I have the course full name. I can change to whatever I want, but now I don't want it. Don't want to change it for now. I can assign it a short name. I can assign it the course category. I can make it visible or hidden, and I can assign it the start date and the end date if I want. Then I can also add on a description of the course. You can see that the courses are displayed in list, kind of like a list, and there is another way you can display them, not in a list but in another format. Let me show that to you. What you will need to do is still to go on edit settings. These are the settings of the course, as I told you. Now you already saw the previous. I can scroll down and go to the course format. When I go to the course format, I can change the format from topic format to grid format. When I click on grid format, you're gonna see a new look that is going to have. So you can customize the look of your course however you want it to be. I will scroll down, then save and return. And you see a new look. Now it is in grid format. It is no longer on topic format, because previously it was a list of things, but now it is in grid format. Can you see this? Some people might like this. Even though you are seeing here, you don't have the buttons that you are having once the editing mode is on, but when you scroll down, you can still see the buttons here. But however, these buttons cannot be seen by a student, only you can see them. You can see here that we have we still have what we can add and edit. Now I will scroll up. So what I can do is go to edit settings, course format, number of section. Let me make them now, for now, more than 21. Let me make them 23. Let me save and return. When I scroll down, you can see that I have another section. Now this section, I am going to add a course that I'm gonna be teaching soon. Now I will just scroll down, then go to section and click on edit section. I can add on as many chapters as I want through going to add on sections. Here I will unselect use the default section name so that I can include my own name. I will say Moodle course. I will describe this Moodle this. Now I will save changes for now. After saving changes, I can scroll down and you see I have my course setup, and it has an overview. When I turn editing mode off, now you then click on the Moodle course, you can see how it appears. This course is going to give you an overview on about setting up Moodle courses. Let me go on, and however, you can see that now the page is not looking nice, as you can see, because there is no image on each grid. You can wonder, how can I add the image on the grid? You will just turn editing on, then I will go down on the course that I have created and change image. When I say change image, I can choose the image to change. I will upload the image. I can either add the recent files, or I can come and upload my own image now. Let me click on browse, then let me take this picture for now, select, then upload this file. Then I have the image here. I will save changes. When I scroll down, I think there should be an effect. You see there is an image, so you can do this to all of the grids to make it appear really nice if you want, or you can display it in list as it was previously, and you don't need to worry about it, because as you saw, you can customize it however you want. Now I will go down to add on the content on my set course. I will just go down on my Moodle course. I will click on add an activity, because if I click here, I want to hide this so that nobody can see it, because now it's not a course that I want people to see. But while it is still in non-visible status, I can add an activity or resource. For now, what I want to add is a file. How can I add on a file on the website, on my set course? I will click on add file, then add. Now they want me to describe the name of the file. I will say introduction on Moodle course. This section is going to give a small introduction on the course. Now I will go down. Now they want me to put the files. Here I will just click on add file. I can either add recent files, but now I want to upload my own. I will browse it, then say, let me choose this one for now. I will open it. When I open it, then I can assign it another name. Let me name it Moodle introduction. Then let me upload this file. Now you see I have my file. What I can do now is save and return to course. You can see that I have my file here, introduction on Moodle course. When I make the editing mode off, I can scroll down, then they say, oh, there is a new activity. When I click on the course, you see I have introduction on Moodle course. This is what students are going to be able to see. When they click here, then they are going to get the file and read it. Maybe make different discussions as I'm going to show you later in this tutorial. Let me close this for now. Turn editing mode on again and scroll down. You see when I turn editing mode on, I will see more buttons. Now I want to add a video description to this Moodle course. How can you add a video to the website? Now adding a video is also really simple. I will just click on add an activity, scroll down, then I can add it in different ways. Now I can add it as a page, I can add it as a label. Let me click a label for now, add an activity. Now within this label text, I can just click on media files. I will click on media. Then they want me to browse where the video is, or just to put URL here. For now, let me go on YouTube and see the video that I'm gonna be putting. I'll visit YouTube. I will click on it, copy this link URL. As I am telling you, this video might be the video you uploaded, but now I'm using the other people's video, but you can add on yours if you made one and uploaded it. I will also be sharing with you the way of uploading videos on YouTube, so please hold on. You will see that. Now I will paste. As you saw, I just copied the link, then I'm going to paste it here, paste, then insert media. I can add a name. Let me say introduction on Moodle course setup. Let me insert media. Now I can add on a text on this further. Okay, now I can also change the heading of these. I can make them heading small. Okay, let me make it like this for now, then save and return to course. You see I have the video here. You can see it has been added on the website. However, I will turn editing mode off so that we see how the students will be seeing this on their platform. Let me scroll down for now and go on to my chapter. This is Moodle course. I will click on it. Now you see I have my file and also I have my video here, so I can click on it and play it. You see? Okay, that's it for now. Let me come back on my course. then see what else we can do within our course. Let me turn editing mode on, and with my editing mode on, I can scroll down and go on the buttons of editing. Here I have my Moodle. Now I can add another activity. Let me add an activity. For now, I want to add on a quiz, because when I have set up a course, of course, you will also need to add on a quiz so that you can evaluate your students. Now, I'm going to be showing you how you can add this quiz. Let me show you a word quiz. I will go on desktop, my work. Let me for now go on Moodle, then quiz. Here I have a quiz about Moodle. Don't matter, this content is not Moodle, but I just want to show you how you can add a word quiz into Moodle directory. I will come back and say add on a quiz. Let me look for a quiz. Here it is. Click on a quiz, then add on a quiz. I want to name the quiz. Let me say Moodle course quiz. This quiz covers the things learned in Moodle course. I will scroll down, then save and return to course. Now, when I go down, you see I have a quiz here, but when I click on the quiz, you see there is no questions added yet. So I'm going to add on questions here. What I will do to add on questions, the way I told you, I need first to prepare my Word document to be uploaded on Moodle website. What will I do? I will go on the Word file. Now I will edit it. What you need to do is to get rid of anything which is not the question. So I will delete this title and also get rid of these numbers. Now for each question, first I will need to change this one into capital like this. Okay, after this I need to mention the correct answers. Answer A. Then I can now, I'm going to save this Word file into a different format. I will go on Save As. I will browse where I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it in the same directory, but I will change the type from Word document into plain text. Now I will save it this file. Accept this. Then when you try to open the course now, you see that it has a new look. This is how the text is looking. The text that we are going to upload on the website will be looking like this one. Let me close it for now. Go back onto the website. Then for it to be uploaded on the website, I will scroll down, and go where there is question bank. Now this is a bank of questions. I will just click on import. Make sure you check this 18 format. I'll scroll down. Remember to unfold this general, then choose default for Moodle course, not default for the course pediatrics, but Moodle course. Okay, you can uncheck this one, you don't need it. Again, here you can choose the file, upload, then let me choose it, is this quiz, this plain text that will say. Okay, then I will say upload the quiz, and I will say import. Here you see we have the questions. I will say continue. Now I have uploaded my questions. However, when you go onto the course and then click on my quiz, Moodle quiz, you will see that there are no questions. There are no questions there are no questions here, so I need to add them on. No questions have been added on the website, so we uploaded them, but they are not here in this platform. Let me edit quiz, and here I can now add on questions from question bank. Now when I click from question bank, I will come and select the default Moodle course. Now I can select them all by clicking on this button, then add selected questions to the quiz. You see that we have them. Now I can change the marks. Here the default mark is 1 for each question and the maximum grade is 10, but I want to make the maximum grade 6 marks. And here I can change this to 2 marks per questions. Click enter to accept. Now the maximum total of marks is 6 and the maximum grade is 6. Now I can save this. Then you see this quiz is open now. However, I might still need to edit this quiz a little bit so that I make it, I give it the start date and the end date, and also give it a timeline so that if somebody exceeds that time, then the platform will be closed immediately and they won't be able to add any more thing. The quiz administration, let me edit settings. Then here in edit settings, this is where I can give it a timeline. Let me give it timing. Here on timing, I can say enable open date. Here I want it to start on Monday. Let me say on 19. Then when I say on 19, I want it to start exactly at midnight. Let me say as early as possible. Then I want it to end on Friday, so I'm giving them 5 days, and I want to end at just the hours of work at 5 p.m. 5 top, and I want to enable the time limit. I want the time limit to be 10 minutes. So if somebody starts to work minutes after 10 minutes, I want this grade means it will be submitted immediately. 10 minutes of submission grace period. Then I will save and return to course. Now let me turn the editing mode off. After it's off, let's seem like we are going to do the quiz and see how it looks like. I will click on Moodle course. Then you see I have a whole bunch of things that we're adding on. Let me now click on the Moodle course. Once I click on Moodle course, the one preview quiz now. Sure, I want to preview it. The time limit is 10. The quiz will close at Friday, 23rd September 2016 at 5 p.m. Grading method is highest grade. Okay, I want to review. Then they give me a warning that I want to start. Yes, I want to start. Okay, start attempt. Now they give me the first question. In infants with hydrocephalus. Okay, I told you this is not the questions for Moodle. I just uploaded them, so don't worry about it. So I didn't have time to formulate the questions for Moodle. Okay, let me choose this one. I think I've finished all the questions. Now I am going to submit all and finish. When I have submitted, means I can't have any other attempt, but before the 10 minutes, now I can return to have another attempt. Let me submit all and finish. Now you can see I have 4 out of 6 marks. It is 67%, and when I scroll down, you will see they are giving me the correction. This is how you set up a Moodle course. In this course, we have seen different ways of doing things. We have seen the way of logging in. We have seen the way of adding content, either files or videos, like you can see here, either files or videos. We have also seen the way you can add Moodle. Here you can add a chatting room so that the students can discuss on different things and chat about the course. And I have also showed you how to add the Moodle course quiz, how you can add the quiz. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I think that you will be telling me what else you need to cover. Thank you for now.